Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about the compound of boron is borax. The chemical formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. The chemical formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. The preparation of borax. The borax can be prepared from the sodium salt of tetraboric acid. Borax is prepared from boric salt of tetraboric acid, that is obtained from the ore called columnite ore. By boiling this solution with sodium carbonate, you are going to get borax. This columnite Ca2. This is called, that columnite ore is boiled with sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, you are going to get borax. And calcium carbonate. And calcium hydroxide. One of the preparation of borax is from columnite ore. By boiling the ore with sodium carbonate, you are going to get borax along with calcium carbonate and calcium hydroxide. Next, we are going to learn about the chemical property, reaction of borax. So, the borax is basic in nature. The borax is basic in nature, and it can be dissolved in hot solution. Hot water, borax is dissolved in hot water to get boric acid. To get boric acid and sodium hydroxide. So, here the sodium hydroxide is a strong alkali and the boric acid is weak acid. So, from this combination we came to know that the boron can show that more basic in nature due to the formation of alkaline solution. Alkaline solution as the product on reaction with the aqueous solution. So, now the borax bit test. So, now you are going to take in the platinum dish. In this you are going to take the mixture of boric oxide along with the metal want to identify. So, now suppose we are going to take now copper. So, the copper oxide react with the boric oxide to form copper metaborate or cupric metaborate. It gives bluish green color. This gives what? Bluish green color. By the color we can identify the substance contain the metal ion called copper. Like that we can identify chromium. The chromium can give bottle green color. In the borax bit test, chromium can give bottle green color and nickel can give navy blue. Nickel can give navy blue by reaction with boric oxide, and cobalt give the blue color. So, by the color we can identify the metal ion present in the substance. So, one of the identification test, the borax bit test is used to identify the metal ion, that is in the transition metals. We can easily find out by using borax bit test. Next, reaction of borax with acid. So, it can be sparingly soluble, it can be sparingly soluble to form boric acid. So, the borax react with acid, mineral acid HCl aqueous, in aqueous state it gives boric acid with along with sodium chloride, and then it react with sulfuric acid, another mineral acid, sulfuric acid, again the product as what? Boric acid. Boric acid along with sodium sulfate, this one is sodium sulfate. These are the reaction with acid. Next, uses of borax. So, one of the already we know that one of the use by using borax bead test, the identification of colored metal ion, identification of colored metal ion, and then it is used in the manufacturing of optical glass at the borosilicate glass. Already I said all the laboratory apparatus are borosilicate because of low thermal expansion, and the glazed for pottery. It gives shining surface, it gives shining surface, glazed surface for the pottery, and it is also used as a flux. In the metallurgy, some of the gangue particle present during the reduction, that reduction can be the impurities can be removed as a flux by using borax. The borax is going to react with the gangue particle and it formed a fusible mass, that fusible mass is called flux. By that we can remove the impurity during the metallurgy, and it is also used as a good preservative in preserving the food items. So, these are all the uses of borax. One is it is used to identify the colored metal ion, and it is used in the manufacturing of optical glass as well as borosilicates and enamel, and it gives the glazed surface in the enamel and pottery opticals, and then it is used as a flux in metallurgy, and it is used as a good preservative. So, these are all about the compound of borax. So, we will see in the next class the next compound. Thank you.